Hey, looking for an Apple TV remote that doesn't send you into a rage spiral every time you pick it up? Good news, there's a better way, and I've got a special offer for you. So click the link in the description below for an exclusive discount on the Function101 Button Remote for Apple TV. Alright, let's get into it. If you've ever tried to adjust the volume on your Apple TV with that slippery little Siri remote, you know the struggle is real. The Function101 Button Remote brings back the classic button layout. No more accidental swipes or talking to your TV like it's your dog. So what makes this remote special? First off, it works with all Apple TV models, even the 4K. It's got infrared tech, so yes, you'll need line of sight, no hiding it behind the couch cushions. But on the plus side, you get full control. TV power, volume, mute, and of course, your Apple TV. The range? Up to 12 meters, so unless you've got a mansion, you're covered. Let's talk build. It's lightweight, just 4 ounces. The buttons are silicone, the body is sturdy plastic, and it fits right in your hand. No more losing track of which end is up. And yes, it comes in sleek black because style matters, even with remotes. What's in the box? You get the Function101 remote plus a quick start guide. Setup is a breeze, and if you need more help, there's a downloadable user guide. Now, real talk. Some folks say it's the remote Apple should have made, while others wish it did even more. If you live for Siri commands, you might miss that. But if you just want a remote that just works, this is it. So, want to ditch the struggle remote? Hit that link in the description below to get your special price before this deal disappears. Thanks for watching, and happy channel surfing.